Hello, my friend. Let's have a real heart to heart talk. Have you ever caught a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and felt like something's off? Like that fire, that energy, that unstoppable drive you used to have is fading? Maybe you're not feeling as strong, your workouts aren't hitting the same, or that spark, the one tied to your confidence and masculinity, feels dimmer than it used to. If this sounds like you, take a deep breath. You're not alone and you're not broken. As a doctor who's worked with countless men over 50, I'm here to tell you low testosterone is real, but you can fight back naturally. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful foods that can help you boost your testosterone levels by up to 350% over time if you're consistent. These aren't just random foods, they're science backed, packed with nutrients your body craves to reignite that energy and drive. And stick with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal a unique, natural solution that's quietly changing men's lives. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So, let's dive in and get you feeling like you again. Before we jump into the foods, let's talk about why testosterone levels drop as we age. After 30, your testosterone can decline by 1-2% every year. Stress, poor diet, and even lack of sleep can speed that up. Low testosterone can leave you feeling tired, less motivated, and let's be honest, less interested in intimacy. But here's the good news: you can turn this around with the right tools. These foods I'm about to share are like fuel for your body's testosterone engine. Let's fire it up. First up, oysters. Yes, they've got that reputation for a reason. Oysters are a goldmine of zinc, a mineral your body needs to crank up testosterone production. Just 6 medium oysters pack over 30 milligrams of zinc, 3 times your daily needs. Here's why that matters. Zinc kicks off a chain reaction in your body. It boosts a hormone called luteinizing hormone, which signals your testes to pump out more testosterone. Without enough zinc, that whole process stalls. Plus, oysters are loaded with selenium, copper, and vitamin B12, all of which support energy, testosterone, and even sperm quality. Not an oyster fan? Don't worry, I've got another zinc-packed food coming up that's super easy to add to your day. Keep watching. Try adding oysters to your weekly menu, maybe as a treat. Steam or grill them with a little lemon for a delicious boost. Next, let's talk about Brazil nuts, one of my personal favorites. These little guys are insanely rich in selenium. Just one Brazil nut gives you nearly double your daily selenium needs. Why is this a big deal? Selenium protects the cells in your testes from damage caused by stress or aging. Healthy testes mean stronger testosterone production and better sperm quality, backed by studies from Harvard and fertility experts. You don't need a handful, 1 or 2 nuts a day. Paired with a healthy fat like avocado or olive oil will do the trick. It's so simple, but the impact is huge. Stick with me because we're just getting started. Try tossing a Brazil nut into your morning smoothie or eat one as a snack with a drizzle of olive oil. Alright, let's clear up a myth. Egg yolks are not the enemy. If you're throwing out the yolks, you're throwing away one of nature's best testosterone boosters. Egg yolks are packed with cholesterol, and before you panic, hear me out. Your body needs cholesterol to make testosterone. It's the raw material for a hormone called pregnenolone, which then becomes testosterone. Without it, your body's running on empty. One yolk has about 186 milligrams of cholesterol, just enough to support your hormones without overloading your system. Plus, yolks are rich in vitamin D, which boosts testosterone, especially if you're low, and many of us are. Enjoy 1 or 2 eggs a few times a week, boiled or cooked in olive oil, and feel the difference. Try making a quick breakfast scramble with 2 eggs and some spinach for a testosterone-friendly meal. Pumpkin seeds are next, and they're a game changer, affordable, tasty, and powerful. A 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds delivers over 60% of your daily zinc needs. But here's the kicker. Zinc from plant sources like pumpkin seeds also helps block testosterone from turning into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, which can harm your prostate over time. So you're not just boosting testosterone, you're protecting your long-term health. Here's a fun way to enjoy them. Crush a tablespoon of raw pumpkin seeds. Mix them into a warm glass of milk with a touch of honey and sip it before bed. It's calming, delicious, and great for your hormones. Just keep it to a 1/4 cup daily. Too much can tip the balance. Try sprinkle pumpkin seeds on your salads or yogurt for a crunchy, hormone-boosting kick. Let's talk about Greek yogurt, a hidden gem for testosterone and overall health. It's packed with protein and zinc, both essential for muscle repair and hormone production. But here's something you might not know. Your gut health plays a huge role in balancing your hormones. Greek yogurt's probiotics keep your gut happy, which helps your body regulate testosterone more effectively. Go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and jazz it up with fruit or a sprinkle of crushed Brazil nuts. Want to take it up a notch? Add a teaspoon of the next food I'm about to share. It's a perfect breakfast or snack to keep you energized and feeling strong. Try mixing a cup of Greek yogurt with berries, a Brazil nut, and a teaspoon of maca root coming up next for a powerhouse meal. Now, let's get into something a little exotic. Maca root. This adaptogen from the Andes Mountains is like a natural energy shot for your body. Maca doesn't directly boost testosterone, but it balances your endocrine system, reducing stress and helping your hormones work better. Studies show it can skyrocket libido, stamina, and energy, especially for men over 50. You only need a teaspoon a day. Blend it into your smoothie, mix it into oatmeal, or stir it into your Greek yogurt. It's gentle, effective, and a total game changer for feeling like you again. We're almost at the end, so don't go anywhere. I've got one more food and that special solution I promised. Try adding a teaspoon of maca powder to your morning coffee or smoothie for a natural energy boost. Finally, let's talk about beetroot. This vibrant veggie is loaded with nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, boosting blood flow, and better blood flow means better testosterone delivery, stronger erections, and more vitality. Beetroot also supports your mitochondria, the powerhouses in your cells, so you feel less sluggish and more energized. Juice it, roast it, or blend it into a smoothie. If you're over 50 and feeling a bit meh, beetroot is like a natural spark plug for your body. And don't worry, I'm about to tie this all together with that one unique solution you need to hear about. Try roasting beetroot with olive oil and herbs for a tasty side dish that boosts your circulation. You don't need hormone injections or risky meds to feel strong, confident, and alive again. Your body already knows how to make testosterone, it just needs the right fuel. Start with oysters, Brazil nuts, egg yolks, pumpkin seeds, Greek yogurt, maca root, and beetroot. These foods are your toolkit for rebuilding energy, drive, and vitality. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these foods to try this week. Maybe it's adding a Brazil nut to your snack or sipping a beetroot smoothie. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you're trying or if you've noticed signs of low testosterone like less energy or drive. I read every single comment and I want to hear your story. If this video spoke to you, share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Subscribe so you never miss out on tips to boost your health and confidence. You deserve to feel like your best self at any age. Let's do this together.